Hi, me again. Can you tell a pattern? I'm going to be responding to all of your videos. Um, at least all the ones focusing on ADD. Um, yeah. This one really pissed me off, for lack of a better word. Because again, you're assuming that ADD children are a product of bad parenting or a product of a teacher just not liking the way a child behaves, or lack of recess. I had recess. I did, honestly. I grew up when recess was a common thing. Recess? Without it? I even had it in middle school. So, and I was an active little child. I ran all over the place. I did. I exercised. I had fun. I laughed. I played on the jungle gym. I was physically fit. I ate healthy. You know, all the things you're saying. And I still struggled in school. I still struggled at home. You don't grow out of ADD. There's no cure for it. It's not make believe. I already told you how my mind works. You think that's a lie? Just so I can get some drugs? I don't smoke. I don't drink. I've never touched any drug, no matter how supposedly addictive it is, and not anything from weed to mushrooms. I've not done anything except prescription drugs prescribed to me by my doctor. With the exception of painkillers, of course. But I bet you're against those too, aren't you? Pain's just a figment of your mind. But anyways, we're not talking about that. That's a whole nother subject that I'm sure you have a video for. Really pisses me off that you say it's not real, that you say it's a supposed disease that is not real. Well, I'll tell you what it is. Been there, done that, bought the t-shirt, sold it on eBay, still dealing with it. It affects my everyday life. It affects my job. It affects my family life. It affected school. It affects me 24/7, 365 days a year for the last 21 years. Soon to be 22 as soon as I have my birthday. You cannot tell me that everything that I have gone through was nothing. That it was just all a lie. That it was make-believe. Again, I say, how dare you? And that was not how I was selected. Yes, my teacher noticed that I had difficulty paying attention. But I had some medical problems when I was an infant. Not going to get into that because it's none of your business. But as a result of that, the doctor said one of two things could happen. One, your child could be severely mentally handicapped, disabled, and not live a normal life. Or two, they could have she could have ADD, ADHD, and live a somewhat normal life. You know, have a normal intelligence, but just might struggle a little bit in school. You know, might not grasp things as quickly. And thank God I only have ADD. ADD does not mean you're stupid. Do you know that I had a teacher to my face told me that because I was ADD, that I was dumb, stupid, and I should never even try because I'll never amount to anything. A teacher who didn't believe in ADD like you, who thought it was just some make-believe thing. She gave me ridiculous amounts of homework, as she did with all her students, in 5th grade. I was 10 years old, being told that I was dumb, stupid, and would never amount to anything because I was ADD. Do you know how long it took me to get over that? How I'm still trying to get over that in some degree? Whoever gave you your degree in psychology should take it away because you are no psychologist. If you were, you'd know. It's real. You would know. But then again, you don't have it, so how could you? How could you possibly fathom what I go through on a day-to-day basis? How could you even possibly fathom it? You make me sick. You really do. Like, practically physically nauseous from the crap you spout. And just because you've written a few books means that you know everything there is to know. I'll tell you what, I was tested. Tested. There was a test that I took to tell if I was ADD. So yes, there is a way to test. It's not just check, 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 check. This is what you have. No, you're tested. Trust me. Been there, done that, bought the t-shirt, sold it on eBay. I was tested. And not by the school. And not, objective third party. So, yeah. All you say is nothing but lies. And that's all there is to it. You're a liar. You feed people crap. You spelt crap. ADD is real. I deal with it every single damn day of my life. Every single day. There's no vacation. Okay? Like I've said before, you think you know, but you have no idea.